Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to customize home screen on iPhone. Let's get started. First, go to your home screen and find any app. I'll click on the App Store as an example. Now, press and hold on the App Store icon until a menu appears. From the menu that appears, tap on Edit Home Screen. The apps will start to jiggle, indicating you're in edit mode. Now, look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see an edit option. Tap on Edit. A menu will appear with several options. From the menu, select Customize. Here you'll see different appearance options for your home screen. Let's explore each one. As you can see, I am currently in default mode. This is the standard appearance with full color icons and normal brightness. Now let's try dark mode. When you select dark mode, your app icons will have a darker, more subtle appearance with reduced brightness. This gives your home screen a sleek, modern look and is easier on the eyes, especially in low light conditions. Notice how the icons appear more muted and sophisticated with darker tones throughout. Next is clear mode. Clear mode gives your app icons a transparent, minimalist appearance that allows your wallpaper to shine through more prominently. This creates a clean, uncluttered look that's perfect for showcasing beautiful wallpapers. Now, let's check out tinted mode. Tinted mode applies a beautiful color overlay to your app icons based on your wallpaper. What's even better is that you can customize the tint color. Tap on the color palette below to choose from different color options. Let me scroll the cursor and you can see the color starts changing. You can change the color according to your needs to create the perfect look for your home screen. And that's it for the customization options. You can now successfully customize your iPhone home screen appearance. You can always come back and change it whenever you want a fresh new look. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.